Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select keywords in order to narrow down your search on the Jooble application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the filter icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Here select the first option, keywords. As you can see, there are two keywords selected. You can also scroll down in order to select from these popular ones. If you would like to add any of these, just simply tap on the relevant one, and then as you can see it appears at the selected section. But you can also type in whatever keyword you prefer by tapping on this search bar at the top of the screen, and then type in the type of job or keyword that you are interested in. There are the results, so click on the relevant one. And yes, so that's basically it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.